Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: phone with Bluetooth and location enabled, and a charged watch. Start the watch, choose language, and open the companion app on your phone. This initiates pairing. Once the app detects the device, follow on-screen PIN or QR steps to link them. You should see a confirmation tone or vibration. This verifies secure pairing. Make sure to accept permissions. The app requests so notifications and health data sync correctly before moving to configuration. Once paired, configure core features. Grant notification and contact access so alerts appear on the watch, and enable calendar sync for event reminders. Next, customize the watch face and adjust time sync to match your phone. This prevents missed alarms. For health tracking, enable sensors and set measurement frequency so steps and heart rate record accurately. Then install any local apps or updates through the watch app and run an initial sync. This transfers settings and historical data for a seamless experience. You finish by testing core functions. Make a call, reply to a message, set an alarm, and start a quick workout to confirm sensors work. If something fails, reboot both devices first. If the issue persists, unpair and repair or perform a factory reset on the watch to clear corrupted settings. Make sure firmware and app updates are current, and periodically review permissions. One key tip: if sync stalls, toggling Bluetooth off and on often restores the connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.